If Photoshop is showing an unknown error occurred, don't panic, because this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest and most reliable ways to solve the Photoshop unknown error, including a simple restart, export workarounds for Photoshop 2026, and how to reset your preferences safely. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. First, the fastest thing to try is restarting Photoshop and trying again. Close Photoshop completely, make sure it is fully shut down, and then reopen it. Sometimes a background process, a locked cache file, or a sync issue can cause Photoshop to throw a generic unknown error, even though the app itself is still fine. A quick restart can clear that temporary problem right away. Once Photoshop is open again, repeat the same action that caused the error and see if it goes through properly. If it still happens, the next thing to check is whether the error appears when you use Export As. This is important because Photoshop 2026 has had a known issue in some recent updates, including versions like v27.4, where the standard export engine and the legacy export engine can conflict with each other. When that happens, Photoshop may show a vague unknown error instead of a helpful message. Until Adobe releases a permanent fix, there are a few workarounds you can use. The first workaround is to use Save a Copy instead of Export As. Go to File, then choose Save As or Save a Copy, and pick the format you need, such as JPEG or PNG from the Format dropdown. This often gives you the same result without triggering the export bug. Another option is to toggle the legacy export setting. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Export. On Mac, go to Photoshop, then Settings, then Export. If Use Legacy Export As is checked, uncheck it. If it is already unchecked, try checking it instead. Then restart Photoshop and test the export again. This can resolve the conflict between export engines. If you need a fast image output, you can also try Quick Export. Just right-click the layer or artboard in the Layers panel and choose Quick Export as PNG or JPEG. This is often the simplest workaround when Export As refuses to work. If none of those methods fix the problem, the next step is to reset Photoshop preferences. Corrupted preferences are one of the most common reasons for unknown errors because the app stores a lot of behavior settings, workspace data, and tool configurations inside its preference files. To reset them, close Photoshop first, then relaunch it while holding Ctrl, Alt, and Shift on Windows or Command, Option, and Shift on Mac. Keep holding those keys immediately as the app opens. When Photoshop asks if you want to delete the current settings file, click Yes. That will restore Photoshop to a clean default state, which often clears hidden errors and strange app behavior. After resetting preferences, test the feature again and see if the problem is gone. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the unknown error completely. So the best order is restart Photoshop, try the export workarounds if the issue is tied to Export As, and then reset preferences if the error still continues. If this video saved you time and frustration, make sure to like the video and subscribe because I post simple step-by-step tutorials that help you fix software problems fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.